Hi and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Hyatt Place, Rancho, Cordova, Sacramento. We spent just one night here on our way from the Bay Area to Lake Tahoe. This Hyatt Place has the typical cookie-cutter layout as other Hyatt Place locations. The differentiator is the service quality and the hotel upkeep. How does this one compare? I think it does a good job with warm service, clean facilities, and decent overall value. This was my third stay at this hotel and it's been consistent for all my visits. We stayed in a one king bedroom on the 5th floor. This location went through a renovation about 2 years ago and it does feel clean and tidy. I do like the separation between the bedroom and the living space on these floor plans. The sofa bed is adequate, though this time it was just the two of us staying. The separate beverage center is complete with refrigerator, coffee station, and a sink. The desk is appropriately sized and has one power station complete with power outlets and USB connections. In the center of the room, the media center has a nice, large, swiveling television as well as cubbies to visibly store your belongings. The king bed was clean with fresh linens. As usual, the hotel pillows were flat but manageable. Each nightstand has an area to charge devices with both plugs and USB outlets. Air conditioning in this blazing summer heat is a must, and this room has the old-school package terminal air conditioner operated by the thermostat near the front door. The bathroom is basic with a sink outside the wet area. Shower pressure was average, but all was functional and did the job. Not much of a view, but it's a whole lot better than being outside in that heat. This hotel was super pet friendly and presented quite a few amenities including doggy bowl, waste bags, and a treat pouch. However, pet fees were steep, starting at $100. The swimming pool is outside with minimal chairs and tables. It does have a serene feel early in the morning though. The air-conditioned fitness center is compact with basic cardio and strength training equipment. Also available is one Peloton bike so you can get your spin on. Breakfast is included for all hotel guests with simple things as eggs, sausage, and potatoes. Fresh fruit, pastries, and a make-yourself waffle station round up your morning start. Coffee, tea, and juices are also complimentary. Overall, a simple, no-frills stay at this Hyatt Place. Average rates are about $120 to $150 per night. What do you think? Thanks for watching.